Hi guys, welcome to Vertical Preps. So today we are going to solve this question. It says we should calculate the value of y in the diagram below. So this is the diagram. You can see that we are having a polygon here, okay, and it's having 5 sides. So it's a pentagon. Good. So a polygon with the 5 sides, that is pentagon. And in this case, we are looking for the value of y. And this is y here. Good. So before you can solve this question, you have to know the total interior angle. Okay? Because when we are able to get the interior angles of this pentagon, we can use supplementary angles to get the value of y. Good. So we know that for this side, we can use supplementary angle or angle on a straight line. So if you look at this like this, and this side is the 60. So it means that we can look for this portion. So you can say that x. And we know that supplementary angles, they add up to 180. So you can say that we are going to subtract this 60 from 180. Okay? So here, the remaining answer will be the angle for this. That is the interior angle. And also the 75 degrees and this portion also form supplementary angle. Okay, so you can see that it's on a straight line. So being on straight line, it means that we can subtract this 75 degrees from 180 to get interior angle here. So we can say that this portion is 180 minus 75. Good. And also this side, you can say that it's 180 degrees minus 65 degrees. So the answer that we get be for the interior angle. Here is 100 already. Here is 100 already. Here too is 110. And we have to know this. Good. Since we don't know the value of y and we don't know the interior angle, let's say this portion be x. Okay, let x, so I say let x equal to 1 of the interior angle. So let's say this is our x. Good. So we can sum up the interior angle to 540 because the sum of the interior angle of a pentagon is 540 degrees. So let me write it down here. You see that the sum of interior angles of a pentagon is equal to 540 degrees. Good. So we can sum up all the interior angle and equate it to 540 degrees. So let's do that. So we have 180 degrees minus 60 degrees plus 100 plus 180 degrees minus 75 degrees plus x plus 110 degrees is equal to 540 degrees. Good. So let's simplify some terms here. So 180 minus 60 degrees, we are getting 120 degrees plus our 100 degrees plus 180 degrees minus 75, we are getting 105. So 105 degrees plus our x plus the 110, which is equal to 540 degrees. Good. So now we can look for our x. So 120 plus 100 plus 105 plus 110, we are getting 435 degrees. Then plus our x, and we equate it to 540 degrees. Good. Let's work from here. Now we need to make x a subject of a group item. So it means that our x is going to be 540 degrees minus 435 degrees. So our x, 540 degrees minus 435 degrees, we are getting 105 degrees. So it means that this portion is 105 degrees. Good. And looking at this, you can see that you're having something like this. And this portion is a y plus 10 degrees. This is what we name as x, and x is equal to 105. But our main focus is the value of y, but not x. So we need to look for y here. So we can say that this is a supplementary angle or angles on a straight line, which is 180. So we can add everything here and equate it to 180 and find the value for y. So we have 105 degrees plus y degrees plus 100, sorry, it's 10. So plus 10 degrees, which is equal to 180 degrees. Good. So y, which is equal to 180 degrees minus into bracket 105 degrees plus 10 degrees. So we are getting y is equal to 180 degrees minus. So when you add 105 degrees plus 110 degrees, we are getting 115 degrees. So therefore our y is equal to what? 65 degrees. So you say that therefore y is equal to 65 degrees. So this is our answer. Okay, good. Now please subscribe to this channel if you see this question to be helpful. Okay, and don't forget to try this sample and leave your answer under the comment section. So we have to find, we'll try and find the value of x. Okay, so you have to try this. Good. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you.